Thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. Still on WAEC 2025 for school candidate, General Mathematics. This is paper 2, section A. With us here is question 4. Let's consider this question 4. The diagram shows a tower TR. We have a diagram here where TR is a tower. An observer at O, we have an observer at O, given that length OR is 84 meter and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower T, the angle of elevation of this tower is 57 degree. We are asked to calculate correct to three significant figures. The height of the tower. What would be the height of the tower? B, the observer at O, the observer at this point, moved away from the same straight line until the angle of elevation of T is 49 degree. We are asked to find correct to 2dp how far the observer moved backward. Very important. Of course, this is from angle of elevation and depression. This is from angle of elevation. Permit me to redraw this. Let me turn the drawing. Very important to suit our solving. So, let me clean this and redraw again. Okay? Let's say we have the height of the tower here. This is our T and this is our R. Then, let's say we have the tower this way. Then this is 90 degree. And of course, this will be the observer at this point, O here. And the distance between R to O is 84 meters. I decided to turn the drawing. Very important. The angle of elevation from the question is 57. So here will be 57 degree. Very important. Okay, because of the B part, the question says calculate correct to three significant figures, the height of the tower. So we can easily find the height of the tower. We can easily solve for A. Very important. Let me write solution to A now. Of course, this will say to be the height of this tower. Let it be H meter. We can use our trigonometric ratio to find this. Of course, this is opposite and this is adjacent. We can use tan to find the height of the tower, correct to three significant figures. Let me clean A so that we'll achieve that here. Height of the tower, as I said, we use tan. That will be tan 57 degree now. And of course, tan is opposite of adjacent. That will be the height divided by 84. So just a question of cross multiply to find the height. So the height H now will be 84 multiplied by tan 57 degree. H now will be 84 times, ensure that your calculator is in degree. So let's check tan 57 degree. What do we have? 1.5399. 1.53399. Let's multiply it by 84 now. That will be 100, and finally now the height will be, let me write it here. Finally, the height will be 129.3487 meters. But the question said to three significant figures. The height H now, to three significant figures, of course, it will be 129 meters to 3 SF. So this is the solution to A. We are through with A. It's just direct question. 129 meters. So this is the height of the tower. Very important. Permit me to clean A. Okay. The height now is 129 to three significant figures. Let me write it on the drawing. 129 meters. Let's move to B. The observer at O moved away from the same straight line until the angle of elevation is of T now is 49. Find correct to 2dp how far the observer moved backward. So that is why I decided to turn the drawing. The observer was here. If the observer is here, Moving backward will be this way to the left because this is the observer at this point here. So moving this way will be to the right. Moving this way will be backward. Backward means when you move to the right. Like if I'm here, if I move this way, this is forward and this is backward. So I'll have a line like this. The observer, let's say, move to this point and observe the top of the tower at an angle of uh, 49 degree. At an angle of 49 degree. So it means we don't know this new distance. Very important. So the entire distance now from here now to here is nothing but 84 plus x. 84 plus x. Permit me to clean this part. 84 plus x. Okay? We are looking for what will be the value of this x now. What will be the value of x? Very important. There are two ways we can approach this. Okay? Uh, let's see what we can get from here. If we are to find x, meaning we are looking for this distance now. The question say, find correct to 2 days. How far the observer moved backward? How far? We are looking for x. And if we look at this drawing, we have two right angle triangle. Very important. Okay. Let's check what we can do. The entire height here is 84 plus x, so we can use tan again. We can say tan 49 degree. Tan is opposite. The opposite now is 129, which is the height now. 0.4. Let me use the 0.48. 129.3489 rather, divided by x plus 84. Our aim is to find x. We're looking for x, and as I said, we're looking at the bigger right angle now, which is this. We're looking at the bigger right angle, which is this shape, and we're looking at this distance x. Okay, so let's cross multiply. Permit me to clean this. We have to leave our answer to 2dp. So if we cross multiply, we'll have that tan 49 degree into x plus 84, of course, will be equals to 129, which is the height of the tower, 0.3487. So let's distribute this tan 49 over. We'll have x tan 49 degree plus, tan 49 degree, what do we have? Multiplied by 84. That will be plus 96.6309. Will now be equals to 129.3487. Very important. Let's collect like times. We have x tan 49 degree will be equals to, it will be 129.3487 minus 96.630. So x now will be tan x tan 49 rather will be equals to, we remove this from 129.3487. What do we have? We have 32.71, then 78. Let's check 32.7178 approximately. Our aim is to find x, so x now will be equals to 32.71 771 then 78 divided by tan 49 degree. So let me clean here to achieve that. So x now will be equals to 32.7178 divided by tan 49. Sure that your calculator is in degree. Tan 49 will have 1.150 1.1504. to 4 decimal now. This will be, we divide now 32.7178 divided by 1.1504. What do we have? We have finally the value of x now will be 28.4404 meters. But we are asked to leave our answer to 2 decimal places. So the value of x now will be 28.44 meters to 2 dp. So this will be the distance, because the question say find correct to 2 decimal places how far the observer moved backward. The observer was here. The observer moved 28.44 meter backward. That's this way. So this is said to be the solution to question 4. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to TJ's Maths Clinic for more interesting videos. In my next video, we'll look at the last question from this section A, which is the question 5. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.